Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add or upload attachments to your tasks, milestones, and events in the Freedcamp application. So let us dive into this. Head over to your projects here inside the Freedcamp app, select your project, click into the given task or subtask, and then guys, you will need to click into this edit button so that you can now scroll down in your task overview here in the editing field. And here you will see this option, attachments. Click into it. And yeah, upload the file, for example, I don't know, PDF document, like instructions, JPEG in PNG file, image, and so on and so forth. From one of the following sources from your computer device, you can record a voice message for your coworkers or upload an attachment from Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, and then it will be locate the file on your device or in the given source, and then it will be added to the given task so that your co-workers can access it and listen to it, read it, and so on and so forth. Click into save. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.